Thanks again for joining me in the Amazon PPC Masterclass. This is video 3 of 4. Now, a reminder, tomorrow is going to be a live masterclass, not a webinar. You're going to be on a call with me to ask questions. I'm going to go through a quick presentation, usually about 30 minutes long, not even. And then you guys will have me for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes to answer any questions that you have. So we've had a ton of great comments coming through video 1 and 2. If you missed those, video 1 was about rethinking your ACoS strategy. Video 2 was all about negative phrase lists and exact lists and how those can help save you thousands and thousands of dollars with very minimal work on both of them. So again, if you don't know me, I'm Dr. Travis Zigler. I'm the CEO of the Profitable Pineapple Ads Agency. And along with my wife, we built and sold a brand in 2021 called iLove in the eye care space. So with that being said, somebody asked me what my favorite thing to do when I'm not working is. I actually am a big fan of playing Settler. I should say like playing with my boys, of course, and hanging out with my wife, but I'm a big fan of Settlers of Catan. And my favorite game in Settlers of Catan is the Cities and Knights expansion with the Seafarers expansion. So if you are a Settlers of Catan player, let me know down in the comments below what your favorite game is. Now, before we get into today's video, I wanted to go over a quick testimonial from Adam, who went through videos 1 and 2 and implemented them. And he says, I strongly recommend this approach through Travis. It's substantially driven our ad sales, total sales, and lowered ACoS. And there's still more to come because he hasn't finished implementing everything. So with that being said, in today's video, I'm going to be going over my way to easy Amazon PPC strategy to scale your brand. So let's jump in. All right, my way to easy Amazon PPC strategy. Now, before I get into this, I want to go over the number 1 mistake that I see made from Amazon sellers. And that mistake is that they go after too many strategies. They hear something from a podcast over here. They watch something on a YouTube video over here. They learn from an Amazon PPC masterclass that you're watching right now, and you're following a different strategy over there. And you try to mash all these strategies together. Now, that can work, but it usually just results in a lot more confusion for you. And what we need to do is we need to focus on one strategy that will work for your Amazon PPC. Is mine the only strategy out there? No, of course it's not. There's lots of strategies out there, but this is what has worked for my brand and hundreds of other brands that we've helped. So what is my strategy? It's pretty simple, and you've probably heard of it before. It's the 80-20 rule, or Pareto's principle. Pareto's principle states that 20% of your inputs create 80% of your outputs. And so stated in another term, so 20% of your employees produce 80% of your results. 20% of your customers create 80% of your revenue. 20% of your products produce 80% of your revenue as well. So how does that apply to you? 20% of your products are producing 80% of your results. The problem I see with a lot of Amazon PPC or a lot of Amazon sellers is that they're focusing on all of their products equally. You have the straggler over here, you have the superhero over here, and we're focusing on the straggler, unfortunately, and not the superhero. But what if we took all of your budget for Amazon PPC, and let's say you have 10 products, and we focus all of that budget on the top 2 products? What would happen to your business? I bet you, because I've seen it many times, is your business would increase in sales, it would increase in profit, it would decrease in ACoS, because you're not worried about the other 8 products anymore. But what happens is as we increase sales of your top 2 products, they get more organic sales, they get more organic rank, and then spillover occurs and people buy the other products as well. So here's an example in iLove, which is my brand. And you can see that 20% of our products were producing 70% of the profit here. I didn't do revenue here, I did actually profit. And it's huge. 20% of our products are creating 70%. So what if we just keep focusing on that 20% and not stop focusing on everything else? So your action items for this video: study and obsess until you can really grasp the 80-20 strategy. 20% of your products are producing 80% of your revenue. Focus on that 20% of products. To take it to an Amazon PPC level, 20% of your search terms in Amazon PPC are creating 80% of your revenue. So if we eliminated all the other keywords and search terms, all the other campaigns that are just kind of wasting money, and just focus on what's profitable, what would that do for your business? 80-20. Think about it in every single aspect of life. So I want you to pinpoint the 20% of products that are creating 80% of your results. And I want you to find the 20% of search terms or campaigns inside Amazon PPC that are creating 80% of your results, and then stop focusing on the rest of it. Shut off those Amazon PPC campaigns, stop advertising for those other products, and just focus on the products that are your breadwinners. So I hope this video made sense on the 80-20 principle when it comes to your business and when it comes to Amazon PPC. Please let me know down in the comments down below if you have any questions or comments about this strategy. I'm sure you have a couple questions, so put those down below. And then in tomorrow's live masterclass, I'm going to be showing you 4 more strategies live, including the one thing that has made the biggest difference for me in my business. So register for that live masterclass. Again, it's Wednesday, January 4th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So register down below. I'll put a link down in the comments down below. Again, Dr. Travis Zigler here. Thank you for joining me in part 3 of the Amazon PPC Masterclass, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Bye.